Decorating for an event or a dessert table doesn't have to break the bank, so I'm here to show you and share with you a display that I made for under $50. This is a shower we did for my sister-in-law, and hopefully you can get some inspo. This baby foil balloon doesn't need any helium and can be reused many times. That's from Walmart for $3, and this banner was $1 from Target, and then I just added the gold stickers letters from the dollar store. If you got any cute boxes laying around, it's great to add some height to your dessert or to your table. I also got this picture frame from the dollar store, and then I just printed a picture of baby from an ultrasound. Also printed a picture of mom and dad and put that in a little vase I got from the thrift store. This dessert tower I already had, but I did make a similar one, so I put that up in the card link up here. This card I got from Ross. It's cute because it says Happy New Baby. The baby rattles and these shoes you can get from the dollar store, and it's great because they come in pink or blue as well. And now this little mini donut display I did a DIY on, so I'll put that up in the link up here in the cards and also down in the description box. It's super easy and super cheap to make as well. You can simply buy desserts from the supermarket and just make it your own theme. Like for instance, this one had like rainbow sprinkles and I just added blue. You can save time and totally customize them to whatever color you want. I did wrap a box in white paper and I just put the cupcakes up there. It looks great elevated like this. And Costco is the best for flowers. These blue beautiful flowers I got from there, and the greenery as well, and I made 3 different arrangements with them for only $25. Now baby's name starts with a G, so I got a little letter that is cardboard from Hobby Lobby. It only cost around $4 or $5 using your 50% off coupon, of course. And then this one you can also customize the color. And this is great because parents can use this for the nursery to put up after you're done with it from the party. Now to add some ambient lighting, these LED lights you can buy very cheap. They come in different colors again. And lastly, you can take some dollar store balloons and add that to wherever you want. And that's it for this video. This is a very simple and affordable way to display some nice decor for any of your events. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!